Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can have the dreamy look on your videos by using the CapCut Mobile. So here, you can just add your videos, and the first step is go to the video effect, and then here click on the lens category and then select the soft effect in the lens category. This one, you can adjust it as you like, but I'm going to go with 90. Go back. Now go to the video effect again and then add the retro blue. So find it under the retro category, scroll down, and here select the retro blue effect. Okay, this one. Click on adjust, set the sharpen to 0, blur and glow to 30, and then here the filter to 0. Like this, click on the check icon, then just adjust the length of the effect to match with the videos. And you are done, so this will be the result. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.